Dr. Jagadish. I have been a scientist in ISRO. I have been in the top management as a technology leader in the MNCs, and also have been a professor and dean for business school. I have been fortunate to get introduced to, was certified to teach yoga during my teenage itself. But since then, I have been trying to maintain good lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, and so on and so on. But I have been always having a passion to explore, ये जो मोक्ष बोलते हैं वो क्या चीज है, वो बोलते हैं ना ये होना है वो होना है, तो कंफ्यूजन था, कोई क्लियरली नहीं बता रहा था. तो मैं खुद चल रहा था, whatever is there, all the programs with the masters I had been fortunate to try, experiment all of those things. That was last year. It's almost a year back. So I joined, and few minutes listening to JJ sir, I knew that this is what I was looking for. This is the place. Okay. So it was not really a bahana of that high sugar level for me that time. Was a bahana probably to get into this, but that was not what the only thing that I was looking for. I was looking for a holistic approach to live a natural, healthy and lifestyle. So swasth जीवन, just not time pass, not just managing life with medicines and modern medicines, modern methods and all. So ये ढूंढ रहा था. तो मेरा let me quickly sum up. So in 6 days my sugar level came down from 249 to 137. Beautiful. My energy level, my happiness level, and the love and care that I could express, that enhanced like anything. Or I must tell you that my every day, every time, I've been attending so many programs since then. I'm joined for lifelong as an aspiring healer. And ये सर से मेरा ऐसा है ना, विचार जुड़ता है, बहुत सारे चीज जुड़ता है. He is my soulmate. I have no problem. He is my mentor. Okay, so बहुत बढ़िया चीज है. This is much more beyond than your ये जो आपके जो हेल्थ चैलेंजेस तो हैंडल होगा ही, उससे मच बियॉन्ड है ये होलिस्टिक है. चतुर्मुख किनारा, ऑल 4 dimensions of your health, होलिस्टिक हेल्थ जो बोलते हैं, फिजिकल, मेंटल, your relationships and your spiritual health also enhances with this program. So I strongly recommend join this. Just go for it. 6 दिन का आप experiment करिए, give 6 days, and and one more thing is that it's very easy to follow and it's easy to understand as well. तो आप समझेंगे तो इन 6 दिन आप पूरा practice experience करेंगे. Okay, all the best.